Well, I didn't expect to see you here. Are you working or shopping?
Hi, Wendy. Actually, I'm helping a friend out. He was called away on an emergency and didn't want to leave his vitamin shop unattended. But what are you doing here?
Well, I thought I would give my weight loss project a boost by trying meal replacement supplements. What do you think of them?
Well, how about you tell me what you think of them first?
Personally, I don't consider them real food. My doctor tells me they are just a gimmick, and you can't live off them, so they don't solve your weight loss problem.
Yes, I've heard that too. But honestly, doctors have been saying that for years. But if you think about it, meal replacement supplements have been around for decades, and over that time they have improved in quality.
But are they any good?
They are perfect for helping you to break up bad habits that contribute to weight gain.
You sound like you approve of them.
I do. If you are a person who skips breakfast and grabs a sausage roll on the way to work, then they are perfect for you. If your lunch consists of buying takeaway foods because you haven't packed a healthy ham and salad sandwich, then again, they are perfect and offer a healthy alternative. And if you are in the habit of grabbing a pizza on the way home from work because you are too tired to cook, then meal replacement supplements are perfect.
Because you can use them to break up those bad habits.
Precisely.
But there are hundreds to choose from. How do I know which are good?
Most protein powders and meal replacement supplements are much the same. But if I was to choose, I would look for one that has a good supply of vitamins and minerals in it.
Okay, vitamins and minerals. What else?
Good meal replacement supplements have a good amount of fiber per meal, about 5 grams per meal.
Ooh, that will help my bowels.
Yes, and then make sure your meal replacement supplement comes with a diet plan to help reach your weight loss goals.
Vitamins, minerals, fiber and diet plan. What's next?
Okay, now, you can't live on a diet plan forever, so the meal replacement plan should come with a maintenance diet plan.
What's that?
It's a new lifestyle plan for you to follow that doesn't promote weight loss.
I see. Can I use meal replacement supplements on a maintenance plan?
Sure. Just use meal replacement supplements in water or skim milk to help with weight loss. And blend a serving or two of fruit with the meal replacement supplement for a maintenance diet meal. You could use that for breakfast instead of cereal.
But meal replacement supplements are not real food.
Well, who the heck decided high sugar, low nutrient breakfast cereals were food?
Yes, I see what you mean.